Hey guys, it is a beautiful day here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. It's a little bit windy today. So I'm going to come here today and talk to you about the brand new floor plan we just got in from Transcend. I'm really excited about it. For those of you who have bigger families or like to travel with all of your friends, this is a quad bunkhouse. It is a very large travel trailer, but it is the newest floor plan from the Transcend line. So I'm going to turn you around here and check it out with you. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so let's take a look at this brand new floor plan from Transcend. It's the 32 BHS. This is a quad bunk travel trailer with an outside kitchen. It is one of the longest floor plans that Transcend has released to date. It has the power tongue jack already installed. It has a metal rock guard on the front to prevent chipping and scratching from road debris as you're traveling down the highway. It has the matte aluminum siding. This is about 25 to 30% thicker than a regular aluminum sided trailer. The front cap is 30% thicker, and the siding is 25% thicker. Alright, as we travel down the side here, you're going to notice that both doors are equipped with friction hinge technology, so you're not going to have to worry about your doors slamming open and hitting the side of your camper. Both entrances have the extra large grab handles, make it easy to get in and out, and then the ultralight aluminum steps that won't rust or bind. This is going to be very convenient for you in the long run. We have a power Solera awning with built-in speakers. These are marine grade outside speakers. And then of course you've got your aluminum sport rims with Westlake nitrogen filled tires. These are going to be quieter on the road, and you're going to avoid all of those air fluctuations that you see in tires filled with regular air. There's an LED light right there by your entrance door. And of course this is protected by the 3-year structural warranty that comes from Design. They stand behind all of their products and protects against any manufacturer defect that you could possibly see. All of the baggage doors have the magnetic catch. So all you have to do is just throw it up there and the magnet will catch it, and you won't have to worry about that dropping or the clips breaking off. It really makes camping a lot easier for you. We have a small mini fridge here. Put all your drinks in there, and then we have a brand new Capital cooktop. Part of your outside kitchen. And then just pull it down. The magnetic catch will release, and you can close it up. Then you can see back here we've got the spare tire already installed, roof ladder already installed. This is a fully walkable roof. We do have the Furrion plug and play setup. It's already pre-wired. All you need is the camera and the monitor, and you will be backup camera ready. This is a 50 amp RV, so it is going to be wired and prepped for the second air conditioner in your bedroom. This is a single slide unit, which keeps it ultra light, but it is still incredibly spacious on the inside, as you'll see when we head inside. Now the dry weight on this camper, even though it is a very long camper, it's still only around 7,700 pounds. So it is still going to be towable by a half-ton truck, which makes it really nice because you don't have to buy a new truck to get the camper that you want with the space that you need for your growing family. So now we're going to head inside. We're going to check it out. Okay, so right inside the door, you're going to see we've got some coat hangers here, and then a nice storage cubby up here that you can put anything you need up there. And then we have your convenience center all right here with your slide out, your awning controls, your ceiling lights, And then water pump, your gas and electric water heater, and of course all of the meters for your tanks. So now we can see, this is the signature Transcend interior, same coloring and wood as the other floor plans. A nice farmhouse distressed wood. This has the entertainment center directly across from the high bed sofa. We have the Jensen sound system with loads of storage beneath it. Flat screen TV already installed on the swing arm. You can see right here in the ceiling you've got your AC, you've got indoor speakers, you have LED puck lighting, and that LED lighting is great for a camper because it runs about 1/10 of the power as a regular incandescent light bulb. It is going to make it cooler for you, help with temperature control, and also battery consumption if you are dry camping. And then we do have an extra tall ceiling in here. There is an 82-inch ceiling height in here, so no matter how tall you are, you're going to be set. Now to check out the kitchen, we have an extra large Dometic refrigerator. We have digital microwave from High Point, just like home. And then you have a Dometic oven, and this has the glass top that you can fold up and use as a backsplash. It is a 3-burner range with an oven. You have ample counter space here. And then of course your undermounted stainless steel farm sink with the pull down residential spray hose. Lots of storage underneath here as well. Lots of drawer space, lots of cabinet space, and these cabinets do have a shelf inside. Make it really easy to store everything you need. And then as we turn around here, you can see we do have a fan right here in the kitchen with a 12-volt access. This is a booth dinette. This does fold down to make a bed. So this RV will sleep 10 people. There is storage beneath the dinette booths. And then as we head this way, you're going to head into the bathroom. This is a very large bathroom for this size trailer. It is a pass-through bathroom, and you can close both sides off with these magnetic pocket doors. So you can close it off, but you also don't have those doors protruding into the walkway, which makes the camper even more spacious. This is a large shower with a domed skylight. So like I said, in the living area, your height is not going to matter in this trailer. There's another skylight with a vent and a fan. We have a medicine cabinet, and then lots of counter space with storage beneath it. This is the master bedroom, and this already does have the AC installed in the bedroom. So you can see right there. Second entry door straight into the bedroom. Wardrobes on either side of the bed. There's a place here to mount your flat screen LED TV. And then underneath the bed, you've got even more storage, which is so nice. It's on those gas struts, so you can easily raise and lower the bed. Now, as we head back into the living area, now we're going to check out the feature of the floor plan, the bunk room. So this is a true quad bunk. We do have 4 bunk beds back here. It is an L-shaped style. We've got a ladder mounted here. There is a place at this end with power outlets and USB ports for electronic charging. We have a place to mount a TV right there. So you've got your top bunks here, a power outlet for each bunk, and then we have 3 windows, so it's nice and lit and spacious. There are storage shelves down here and drawers. And then as we turn around this way, you can see we've got more storage, and we have a hanging closet right here. These are all hardwood cabinet fronts. Then the best part is your second bathroom. Porcelain foot pedal flush toilet. We have a towel rack and a mirror. And then of course your bathroom sink with some storage beneath it as well. So this is a bath and a half floor plan as well as a quad bunk, which I think is totally awesome. It is perfect for a larger family. How many times are you going to need those two bathrooms? Probably every time that you go camping. So we'll check out one more little quick pan here. So comment and let us know what you guys think about this quad bunk floor plan. Alright guys, so thanks for taking time to check out our video. We really appreciate it here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. We are located on Route 60, right on the main highway here in Ashland, Kentucky. Our website is summitrv.com. We would love for you to check it out. We have photos and videos of every RV on our lot today. We're open Monday through Saturday year-round. The hours right now are until 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday we're open until 5 p.m. You can send us an email at sales@summitrv.com or just give us a call at 606-928-6795. We are a family-owned business, so we have been owned and operated by the same local family since 1976, and we are very proud of that here at Summit RV. So we would be happy to help you with any questions that you may have, and we would love to welcome you to the Summit RV family. So I will see you on our next video, guys. See y'all.
Camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.